Hello, my students. Welcome again to our English virtual class. Today, we will not be learning any new poem or story, but we will discuss an important grammar topic, that is subject and verb agreement, which you will find in your textbook, page number 55. So, let us begin. So what is a subject and a verb? What do you understand by a subject and a verb in a sentence? Now, in a sentence, subject means the person or thing doing the action. The person or thing that is performing the action, it is what we call by subject. Now here, what is a verb? Now the action, what is the action that is being done by the subject is called the verb. Now here we are going to learn agreement between the subject and the verb. For any sentence to be grammatically correct, okay, a verb must agree with its subject in number and person. So here, when I say number and person, what do you understand by number? Subject in number. Number means whether it's singular or plural. And when I say person means whether the subject is in first person, second person, or third person pronoun. Remember, I have done this already with you in the class. So here, first person. So to make a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number and person. Alright? So, a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Here in the first example, the dog barks. Here we have the subject, the dog, and it is singular, right? It is only one dog, so it's singular. So with singular subject, I'm using of the verb barks. So the dog barks, which means singular subject with singular verb. In the second example, there are two dogs, so which is plural. So here the dogs bark. Now here even the dogs is plural, so even the verb bark is plural. One thing which you must understand and remember is that verbs do not form their plural by adding an s as nouns do. Okay, so what I'm saying here is, for example, just say mango. When I am talking about the noun mango. We know that mango is a noun, right? So if I want to, so when I say mango, it's single, right? Singular in number. But if I want to convert this to plural, how should I say? Mangoes, right? So it is saying that, so with nouns we can form the plural, we can convert the singular nouns to plural noun by putting s, right? By adding s. But we do not follow the rule in verbs. Okay, for verbs we do not follow such rules. Putting an s doesn't mean that it's it's plural. Okay, so to determine which verb is singular and which verb is plural, the trick is to think, okay, which verb, as you can see in the slide, we have a verb, we have subject and verbs. Now the verbs are given below, okay, and the subjects are written in red color. So which verbs would you use with the subject he, she, it, they? So here the answer is, we can use speaks. He speaks, that is singular verb. She is, singular verb. She was, singular verb. Or it has, because all the verbs, that is speaks, is, was, has, they are singular verbs. So we use them only with singular subjects. Now coming to the right hand side, plural verb, we have a subject plural. They means it's plural, right? And they is in the third person. So here we have to use plural verb for plural subject. So it is they speak, they are, they were, they have. This is the verbs that we can use with plural subjects. Now here, the verb am is only used with the pronoun I. Now here, see, in the previous slide here, we are using she is, okay, or she was, and also they are, they were. These are the verbs that we use with singular subjects. But here what it says is the verb am is only used with the first person pronoun. We cannot use it with any other pronoun like he, she, okay, but only with the first person pronoun, that is I. We can use am, that is I am going, I am coming. Okay, so we can use am only with I and not with any other persons. Okay.